First thing you want to do is make sure your computer and your phone are on the same network. Press the OK button in the center of the phone. You'll see IPv4. IP address 10.0.0.228 is what I'm seeing on my phone. Yours will be different. Again, with your computer on the same network as your VoIP phone, you want to enter that IP address that you got off the phone right up here in Google Chrome. That'll bring you to this login screen. If this is a factory defaulted phone, the username will be admin and the password will be admin, lowercase. Click Login. You want to copy this MAC address here, paste it to a notepad or an email to your technician. He is going to need that MAC address. So you can paste it anywhere here and make sure that that is provided to your technician so he can enter it into the portal. The next thing you want to do is go to the Settings tab. Over on the left side, click on Auto Provision. And these three things here are what you're going to need. So your technician will provide the server URL, the username, and the password. He will email those to you, so that all you have to do is copy and paste. So I have those right here. You would copy and paste ftp:// and you would copy that, paste that here. You would copy your username, you would paste that right here, and you would copy your password, and the password would be pasted right here. You would then scroll down and click Confirm. Then you would need to scroll down again, click on Auto Provision now, click OK. You'll see it say Configuration Updating and then Operation Complete. Since my phone is already configured, it went pretty quick. You should see activity on your VoIP phone. It should say configuration and then a few numbers on it. If it doesn't say that, or if nothing is happening on the phone, go back down, click Auto Attendant or Auto Provision Now, OK again, and you'll see that configuration updating. You want this to stay on for a while and notice something happening on your phone. Once that happens and your phone starts configuring, it'll take about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. When your phone comes back up, it should be configured and registered to our US-Tech servers. And that's all there is to it.